Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be discussing how you can start building wealth for your future by investing a portion of your salary. Many people wonder if investing is worth the risk, but in today's economy, it's more important than ever to invest in your financial future. In this video, we'll discuss the basics of salary investing and provide some tips on how to get started. Part 1. The importance of investing. First, let's discuss the importance of investing a portion of your salary. Many people assume that investing is only for the wealthy, but anyone can invest regardless of income. Investing is an excellent way to build wealth over time, and by starting early, you can benefit from compound interest. By investing just a small portion of your salary each month, you can accumulate a significant amount of wealth over time. Part 2. Building your investment portfolio. When it comes to investing your salary, it's essential to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a range of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's also essential to consider your risk tolerance when building your investment portfolio. For instance, if you're young and have a long investment horizon, you can afford to take on more risk. However, if you're nearing retirement age, it's essential to take a more conservative approach. Part 3. Tax-advantaged retirement accounts. One of the best ways to invest your salary is by contributing to tax-advantaged retirement accounts such as a 401k or IRA. These accounts offer tax benefits and compound interest, making them an excellent way to build wealth over time. If your employer offers a 401k, be sure to take advantage of any matching contributions. It's also essential to consider the fees and investment options associated with your retirement account. Part 4. Investing in real estate. Another way to invest your salary is by investing in real estate. Real estate can be an excellent long-term investment, and there are several ways to invest in it, such as purchasing rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Investing in real estate requires a bit more effort than other investment options, but it can be very rewarding if done correctly. Part 5. Investing in stocks. Investing in stocks is another popular way to invest your salary. Stocks can offer significant returns over the long term, but they can also be risky. It's essential to do your research and only invest in companies that you believe in. It's also essential to consider your risk tolerance and diversify your stock portfolio to minimize risk. Part 6. Managing your investments. Managing your investments is an essential aspect of salary investing. It's important to monitor your portfolio regularly and make adjustments as needed. It's also essential to avoid emotional decisions and stay focused on your long-term investment goals. Part 7. Conclusion. In conclusion, investing a portion of your salary is a crucial step in building wealth for the future. By diversifying your investment portfolio and considering your risk tolerance, you can build a solid financial foundation. Remember to take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts and only invest in assets that you believe in. With patience and discipline, salary investing can help you achieve your long-term financial goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.